Alright. We fixed these cracks. Yeah. These weren't that bad. Now, I got to plate these 3 pockets. I'm going to put some 3/8 inch AR in here. Those are getting a little thin. I'm inside the tub chute. The mill's out of it because the mill took a crap. By the looks of it, it beat up some crap pretty good. That's down in the shop. I don't know if they're going to buy a new one or repair that one. And I got to replace this plate here on the end. But John's got some instructions for that, and I got to get with him on that. So those cracks up there are done. I got to measure for plates up there, and 3 plates here and 1 down there on the apron. And then I'll go back to the shop and cut them. I got a feeling I'm going to get stormed out tomorrow. So, life is good. Let's see if I can get out of here without breaking my neck. They got the motor jacked up to get the mill out. As you can see by the jacks, big old V12 twin turbo Caterpillar. That's where I got a plate. They loading the truck. I don't know where they're hauling it. There's 4 levels here. Up that road and up that road over there. On the other side where they're milling. They're grinding. We'll see if he's just taking that mulch up top. What's up, man? I always get him on film. I do not know why. Uh-oh. In the mud. See, they're grinding down there. Chips coming off the chute. He's figuring out how he's going to get his truck through here. Yeah, Patrick and the new guy. Throwing logs. Yeah, he's made it. Well, I got a mess to pick up and a 45-minute drive back to the shop. Get my steel ready to cut. And that's it for this video. Y'all have a good one.